What's up guys, you're watching the Seed Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-107872-5. There is not enough free space on your console storage, so I'm just going to show you how to fix this up, and I'm going to share my screen on the left side. Here we are at the screen. So here we go to the settings and then go to the storage. Here is a storage and not the system, just a storage. And here is a console storage. You just simply check here. If you don't have a storage, you can connect a USB extended storage, external hard drive, and make a free space, a save data. Also, sometimes you're having a capture data, you just delete it, and here is the save data. Also, you can delete the save data if you have it, so you can make a space. So simply that's how you can make a free space in your system storage. And if you need a more storage, you can connect the extended storage also. And sometimes you're having some corrupted file, you can delete corrupted file by just restore the data and reset the data or rebuild the database. So that's how simply you can do it. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.